Welcome to Trade with Asim and Sajjad. I'm your host Sajjad with the daily analysis for 25th of June 2018. Let's begin our analysis with economic calendar. We have Euro and US data to be released. For Euro, we have German IFO Business Climate Index. The forecast looks pretty much the same, but still we can expect some volatility, almost 40 to 50 pips on both sides. Then later in the evening we have new home sales uh, release for the US dollar. This one too can bring some volatility in the US pairs. Other than that, it might be slower day. Let's see how US dollar index looks. For the last 2 days, dollar index has been uh, weaker, and still it's aiming to go further down. As you can see, the last whole week it tried to break this level. It did manage, but then the price got rejected, and at the moment it looks weaker to me. For tomorrow my target is 94.16 and below. Just in case it gets any strength, then it can move to 94.75 as well. If we can check it on the 1 hour time frame, on that 1 hour time frame too, it looks like it's going down because it tried to go up, but the price got rejected here, and at the moment it's looking much weaker. Let's see how Euro USD looks, and Euro USD is looking very nice for the last whole week. It just managed its support level, and at the moment it's looking very good. Tomorrow I'm looking at 1.1719 and above. It looks quite possible that it can reach to this level, even higher. In other case, if it drops again, then it's going to 1.1566 and below. Let's see how it looks on the hourly time frame. Here it is, though for the last 3 hours before the weekend it was coming down, but overall it's just a small correction, and it's heading upward. Unless and until it's above 1500 moving average, I am long on Euro USD. So the target looks quite easy. Just be careful if you are taking a buy trade. Your stop loss should be below 50 and 100 moving average, 10 pips below that level, around 1.1604. Let's move to GBPUSD, and GBPUSD a bit weaker than as compared to Euro USD, but still it's good. It's looking good, and I'm also long on GBPUSD, and my target for tomorrow is 1.3345 and above. In other case, if it drops, then it's again going down to 1.3144. We will confirm with the hourly time frame, and here it is. For me, I think after touching 150 moving average, it's supposed to bounce back again, and though at the moment I here you don't have to enter, just wait for a confirmation candle and then you can take a buy trade. Otherwise, if it drops below and it closes below 100 moving average, then it's a sell. So I will sell from here at 1.3217. Just make sure you have a tight stop loss. So just looking at the targets, 1.3345 for the maximum, and if it drops, then it can drop to 1.3144. Let's move to USDCAD, and USDCAD definitely is a sell, a very weak candle at the moment on the daily, though it can just try to go up again, but from around 1.3307 or 1.33 it will start to drop again, and even it can open with the gap down and just keep going down. The only reason it can go up is the oil prices. If oil prices also drop, then we might see an uptrend again in the USD-CAD pair. Let's see how it looks on the hourly time frame at the moment. And here it is. You can see on the weekend it closed below 100 moving average. At the moment, all the indicators showing it's going down, and the target looks quite achievable, 1.3194, if it just keep this momentum. And in other case, if it goes up again, then it's heading to 1.3381 and above. Yeah, the other day I shorted USD CAD after the news, the spike. I just shorted here. In the beginning we were long, we had a pending buy order, all of us, we made some good money, and then after that I short it, and it's still running, and I'm very happy with this trade. Our last pair is gold, and gold, though on the daily it looks a little bit better, but as we see on the weekly it's very weak. So I will stay away from gold for the couple of days unless I see a clear uh, break of the uh, 1.276 and above. Monday can be tricky for gold. It can try to go up or go sideways. If it manages to go up, it's heading to 1276.99 and above. In case it drops, then we might see again 1261.90 and below. Here is the hourly time frame for gold, and on hourly you can see there is a confusion between buyers and sellers, so I'm not that much sure. I will definitely wait for a clear direction. But on the weekly, if I can show you the weekly time frame, it's definitely a sell actually, but at the moment I will wait for a break of this level again, because you can see it's below 100 moving average on the weekly. So unless it remains below this, I'm not going to long gold. So good luck guys, I wish you best of luck for today. Take care, and I will see you with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye.